Welcome to the laid back mat. Short little tutorial. We're gonna have fun like dominoes. And like dominoes, we will be putting the right pieces with the right alignment under each asana. So we're only gonna do the piece that fits us, meaning only do things that feels good to you. If this looks like it's somebody else's piece and it won't go, don't play somebody else's piece. It's not gonna help you here. So, like dominoes, big inhale up, big exhale, collapse. Slow collapse down. Relax, inhale back up. Again, collapse your domino. Slow movement, very mindful. And big inhale back up and side to side. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Nice stretch on the side. Inhale. Again, maybe lowering one hand if it's fun to you. Other side. Center. Exhale your hands to your heart. Legs middle apart, a little wider than the outer hips here. And let's bend our knee. And just like curve, little circle, like you have a hula hoop. I don't know if you're good with that. Mine falls down real fast. So let's go and stop the fun. Keep having fun, but stop this fun. Heel toe. Send all your weight to one foot. Inhale, exhale. Bring one knee to the chest. Give it a nice hug here. Curl your back. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see I'm curving. And inhale the foot down. Exhale the other up. Nice hug. And feet apart again. Place your hand on top of your thigh. Exhale back. Toes forward. Round your back here. Elbows are in. Inhale the chest up a little. Exhale, round your back again. And engage your leg. Climb back up. Feet together. Exhale, back, bum back. Oh, reach with your hands back. And inhale back up. Big inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Catch the ground here. Inhale one foot back. Exhale the other foot back. Inhale, push in your hand. Exhale your knees down. Inhale, chest open. Exhale your hips down. Inhale, chest open. Exhale, down a little more. Tuck your toes. Press in your hands. Down dog. Inhale, one foot up. Exhale it forward, plant it. Maybe bring your back toe a little closer if you need to. Making space between your legs, your feet. A little bit more balance like that. Press in your foot. Inhale up, crescent lounge. Back heel goes back. Back thigh comes up. Big inhale, exhale. Fold forward, send your hands back in dynamic flight. Lots of work on the front leg. Your neck is very relaxed. And inhale, hands come up, chest come up, back foot comes forward. Exhale, other foot goes back. We're in that crescent lounge. Reach, inhale, and exhale. Bring your chest a little forward, tuck in your lower belly. And fingertips press back, press. And if that piece doesn't fit you, maybe putting your hands on your hip, maybe your stance a little closer. Adjust your piece. And press in your foot. Inhale, arms back up. Exhale, bring the foot forward. And come back down. Big inhale up. I'm coming in middle just so you can see me here. Exhale. Again, forward fold. This time, just stay there a little bit. And just ragdoll your arm, your head. And slowly pushing your feet into the ground. Engage your legs towards each other and unravel your spine starting at the base. Head comes out, come back up last. Little shoulder roll if it felt good to you. Big inhale up, exhale, hands to heart. And thank you for watching. If you would like to become one of my patrons, you can look me up on the laid back map. You should have the address below this post. You have a wonderful day. Namaste.